Hello and welcome to TMCOMAS, the mechanical workshop for your industry. My name is Olga, I'm the sales engineer, and today I would like to guide you through our workshop and show you our day-to-day dynamics. We have recently expanded our workshop up to 6,000 square meters, arranging it by machining with lathe and milling machines, grinding, die plate zone, babbitt bearing and special weldings. Here underneath we have the thermal spray cabins, the laser cladding, and we have our new project, the vertical storage of rotors. With the expansion of the workshop, we now have 3 new cabins for the thermal spray. All of them are robotized, and we mainly use HBOF, plasma, and the PTA, but we have many other techniques. So, what is the thermal spray? I always set an example as if it is painting, and it will depend on the technique that we use, if we apply a ceramic powder or a metal alloy powder. Here is an example. This would be a sprayed part, and after this we can leave it as it is, or we can polish it, or we can grind it. And continuing to the laser cladding, another one of our star techniques. We have a difference here between the thermal spray and the laser cladding. The thermal spray is just a coating on the surface of the piece, but the laser cladding can melt the base of the part with the powder that we're applying, and we do the clad continuously. Here we don't have any limit of thickness. This means we can recover the full dimensions of the original part. And after the clad, we can perform the machining or the grinding. So, to set an example, we have this shaft. This shaft has a worn out diameter here, which we have previously machined to prepare the zone, and we will now be cladding to recover the original diameter, and then we will machine it again till the diameter which is correct. So today we're grinding a solid tungsten carbide plunger. This part works in a hypercompressor up to 3,500 bars. This means that the surface has to be mirror polished, and we have to leave it in excellent conditions. After the grinding and the mirror polishing, we perform the Ndt tests. One of them is the ultrasound, and then the dye penetrant test. This is a shaft that has just came out of the thermal spray cabins. Here we have done HBOF coating with tungsten carbide powder, and the next step is the grinding. Here we're machining this sleeve where we have performed the laser cladding with stellite, and thanks to this technique the sleeve hasn't practically suffered any heating. Next, the sleeve will continue to the grinding for the final touch in the exterior diameter. In this inspection, we will be looking at the bearing areas, the state of the labyrinths, if there are any cracks on the stages, and if we need to replace any of the blades. After this, we will be taking it to our vertical storage under controlled conditions. One of our major clients in the petrochemical industry is performing an overhaul, and he has sent us this crossing for the dimensional check. In case we need to machine anything, we will do it right away in an urgent way. In this case, we are manufacturing a rotor for the screw pump. This is a very typical job we do for our best clients in the refinery sector. In this case, we're performing the base work, the machining. At TMCOMAS, we need to have an impeccable quality control as we work for refineries, petrochemical, and nuclear industries, among others. Here we have a department exclusively dedicating for that. And this is where we also do all of the reverse engineering. We prepare the drawings and we check the base material. After almost 70 years of history of the workshop, we have become a benchmark at a national and international level. All of this has been possible thanks to the best combination of facilities, knowledge, and our greatest professional experts of TMCOMAS. Innovation and technology are a must at TMCOMAS. This is the reason to maintain a continuous investment in research and development and the professional growing of our teammates. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this visit, although there's much more to see. Hopefully, we will be able to see each other soon, but meanwhile, don't hesitate to contact us or visit our website, www.tmcomas.com.